Look it, we are here to meet my girl. Yay! We've been waiting to meet each other for so long. Hello, my. I'm so happy to finally see you. Look at her.
Hi, sweet. Oh my goodness.
We'll get the bags.
Good to meet you.
Wonderful to see you. Say hi to everybody.
Okay.
Home of the Raiders. Look at this. This is a beautiful. Woo! We are at the M Resort, the home of Raiders, the official team headquarters hotel. And I'm going to give you a room review of 15123. We are at the M Resort, and I'm going to give you a room tour. We are doing room 15123. Let's take a peek. When you come in, you've got your little card here so you can put it on the do not disturb. And then you've got place for storage here. And look at this shower. Ooh, baby, that is nice. Nice big shower. Oh, look at, surprise. It's a nice big toilet. Very nice though. Got some nice privacy there. And then you have your essential Hog and 2 cent chip cock bag. Everyone must have one. If you're not subscribed to Hog and 2 cent, there'll be a link in the description below. And then we have this lovely double sinks. And look at that. Nice marble. You've got one of those scary mirrors where you never want to look too close at yourself. I believe that up there, that is a TV. And hello, how's everybody doing? Over here is the shower. See, I got the shower confused with the other bathroom. But look at that. You could have a party in here of at least 3. Beautiful. Wow. And then, look at that. Beautiful big tub soaking. Some nice art on the wall. And here's the bonus. Look at that view out there. That is the Las Vegas Strip. And the shade comes down up here, but who wants privacy? Or you can have the privacy shade down, and then when you're feeling really sexy, you can push the button and go up, and then your partner can be on the other side, and you can be all woo! Or you can just chill and look at the view, which is what I would do. Okay, you've got this gigantic mirror. Very nice, so you can check yourself before you hit the strip, just like TVP in Ace of Vegas. You could have adjoining rooms if you wish. Got a lovely flat screen TV, big desk area. You can do your computer work there. This is the 2 queen, 2 big cozy beds. And then you have lovely seating. And in here is your closet space. And I think there's more closet space in here. Oh, and you got a little fridge up there. And a safe. And then a chest of drawers. And here is the bonus part of this room. This absolutely gorgeous view. Just look at that. Spectacular. And here is the pool at the M, shaped like a beautiful football. This is the home of the Raiders. Gorgeous pool. And up there is your Las Vegas Strip. See the MGM down there? Woo. So this room has one heck of a view. So this has been the M Resort to Queen. I thank you for watching. And I just want to note, these are floor to ceiling windows. Wall to wall. Very nice. Kind of dark in the room here. Really gorgeous. Got your little bathtub area. Thanks for watching, everybody. Please like, share, and subscribe. I look forward to seeing you all next time. Peace out. Have you ever stayed at the M Resort before? Leave me a comment. I really want to know. And if you're new here, please hit that subscribe button, click the bell, and select all notifications so you are the first one to know when I put out a new video. Thanks for watching, everybody. We will see you next time. And take you out with that absolutely gorgeous view of the Strip. Goodbye from the M Resort. Vegas to Cali. Over and out. Have a great day, everybody. We found a Chipcock, Button, and a Creeper Nick hiding in the M. Woo!